Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna review the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Complete. This was dropped off in front of my house yesterday in front of the door, and our old vacuum cleaner went out on us. The motor and everything still ran really good. Just the hose, so the hose attachment worn out. I had a hole in it, and then the ball actually worn out. The seal on it came off. And with the 5-year warranty, Dyson sent us a brand new one. Yes, 5-year warranty. That's the good thing about it. It took about a couple weeks, but they honored their warranty. They sent us a brand new one, and not just a brand new one, it's a upgraded model. This is the new redesigned Ball Animal 3 Complete. It's lighter. It's a little bit smaller than the last one we have. The last one we had was a Ball Synthetic. We had the large one. It was quite heavy, so this one's a little bit lighter. When with the redesign, they have the detangling now. Before, we actually every 2 weeks we had to detangle, get underneath the bristle and cut off the hair. But this one has the new bristle where you don't have to do that. That's gonna save us a lot of time because we vacuum almost every day. We have a pet here, and we vacuum every day, so that's gonna save us a lot of time. Also, the ball technology has been updated. Now it has more seal on it, so that's gonna help it last a little bit longer. And because these are heavy, so they tend to seal on the balls tend to wear out. So let's open this and see what's all in it, and see the new technology, the new Dyson vacuum. Again, this is great. They honor their warranty. They sent us a brand new one. The old one we had to send it back in. So other than that, they made it really simple and easy. Only thing was we had to wait a little bit, but it's worth the wait. So let's open it and see how or what's in it. Okay, so let's see here. Probably a good idea to lay this on the ground, right? Nice. Looks like we have the funnel here. This seems a little bit smaller than the last one. Again, the last one we had was the large vacuum cleaner, synthetic one. More accessories here, looks like it. And more accessories. And more accessories. A lot of accessory. Dyson always give plenty of accessory. This is the handle. Looks like we're gonna have to do small assembly here. This is nice. This is an attachment for the. I know this one you can actually vacuum your pet. I believe this is it. Where you can actually, they have an attachment where you can vacuum your pet hair so it doesn't, go over the house. Wow, a lot of attachment. A lot of attachments. Nice. So let's take this out. This look like the main attachment here. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this new technology. Bigger, a lot larger, a lot wider. And you can see the technology in capturing the de-hair. And then you can also adjust your, look at that. The old one, I wasn't able to do that, but look at this. So that's a nice feature. Yeah, they spent a lot of engineering on this one. This is a big upgrade. So we're looking forward to this one, using this with this attachment. And then, let's see here. Another little thing I was looking forward to. Nice, very nice. Is this ball here? This wheel, the ball wheel. As you can see, they put more seals on it, so that will last a little bit longer. The last one only had like 2 of these. I don't know if you can see it here. Only had 2 seals on each wheels. Now they added 3 more, so hopefully it lasts longer and smoother. Let's see here. I believe the cord has been added longer, so now it's 5 feet extra in length. So that's gonna give you the ability to reach more areas in the house and instead of having to unplug and plug. That's a good thing. And what else did it come with? Ah, look, this actually comes with a bag for all your attachment. Nice, very nice. You can just hang it up in your closet, put all your attachment in it. So that's a nice feature. And you might be asking what we were using temporary to vacuum our house. We're actually using this V15. It was really good, did the job. Yes, the canister had to be empty every couple days. Only thing that happened was we use it so much, like daily, the wheel broke off. So again, I had to call Dyson. They're sending us a whole new bristle and everything. So again, they honor their warranty. That's a nice thing. You pay for the premium, but they do honor their warranty. You just gotta register your machine and everything. But you can see here, the wheel here it just broke off. It's one thing that hopefully they're gonna redesign and engineer on the newer models, the stronger wheel. But you can still use it. It's just kind of a little bit more tougher, you know. We like Dyson. They do last quite a bit. They last long. I know we probably vacuum more than average, and that's why we have a vacuum that kind of goes out on us. But I'm gonna try to put this together real quick, and I'm gonna give you a demo the first time with the canister being clean. See how much how much it can vacuum up. Okay. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so. Nice. I can tell you that new ball technologies, it makes turns a lot easier because with all the seal on it. Very nice, very nice. So let me get this cord here and get you a demo. String this cord up a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna show you a demo. I'm gonna vacuum it with a brand new canister, brand new vacuum, so it's actually empty and everything. So we can see how much it vacuums up. You can see it's a brand new canister, empty, clean. And the house just got vacuumed last night with the Dyson V15. So we'll see how much it can pick up dirt. Give me an example. Pretty much see how powerful it is. This is one of the attachment that is new this year, or the redesigned model. You can see here the bristle inside where you can vacuum dog hair with it. So it's a nice design. I haven't used it yet, and I'm gonna try to use it on my puppy here, but give me an example. I'm not sure he's gonna like it or not, but that's one of the things that I was kind of excited about. You can see here, you can press it down. You get the sharp bristle come out. Very nifty, neat design. So excited to use that here, but again, I'm not sure if my puppy's gonna like it. And the wife, she's not too fond of vacuum dogs, you know, with a vacuum cleaner. So let's plug it in here. I don't know if you can see the carpet. Not too dirty. Again, we vacuumed last night. We plug it in. Again, the cord is, the cord is 5 foot longer than the old version. So that's I know I mentioned that earlier, but we're gonna mention it again here. So let's get started here. Let's see. Oh, how does it feel? It feels a lot smoother than my old one. It's actually quieter too. A lot quieter. The last one's really loud. Feel really smooth. Very impressed with this new ball technology. Wow, that suction is quite strong. A lot stronger than my last vacuum too. But let's see here. Again, I vacuumed it last night, so there's not much dirt, but you can see a little bit, picked up a little bit of hair here. And let me see here. So we thought about using this as our main vacuum, but then the wheels on it is so small, it does take a little bit more energy to push it. And using that one, you got the big ball technology. It is a lot easier on your body, on your arms, just pushing it. But yeah, that's why we decided, to actually use that. You have the only thing is you have the cord. The drawback is you have the cord. They did add another 5 foot. That's gonna help things. You won't have to, unplug it, plug it. But do I recommend it? Yes. If you vacuum daily, I recommend getting a cord because it's gonna be better on your arm and everything. And it does seem to have a lot more suction than the V15. Okay, I got this wrong here. All right. I do like the ball technology. That's a big improvement, very big improvement. As for the suction, I know I don't have the meters or the equipment to test the suction power, but I can tell you this is a lot stronger using a battery operated V15. And the pros and cons of if you have a smaller house and you don't mind just doing a quick cleanup, portable is the way to go. If you're like us, we clean daily, we recommend getting a cord and the newer model. But as you can see here, it doesn't take much for me to push it. The new ball technology redesign is a lot better. Figure out, put a quick review for you guys, and hopefully you found some value in this content and make a decision on what vacuum you want. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching.